What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Hridoy and today we are continuing our cold email series. Last time we went over the basic of what cold email is and how it can be an incredible powerful tool for lead generation. But before you can send out those cold email, there are something more even important you need to do. Set up your email correctly. And trust me, this is the critical step if you want to avoid ending up in spam folder or worse, it can be getting your email shut down. Okay, so in this video, I will walk through the essential step to set up your email account for cold email outreach. So you are ready to start sending email that actually get delivered, read and replied, stick around because this is the foundation stuff that can make or break your cold email campaigns. In this video, I will only talk about the theory part, and the next video I will implement this step and set up a proper mailbox and send and added it to on a warm up on a sending tools. So let's dive in. The video title will be like how to set up your email for cold outreach step by step guide. Let's dive in. So the first question is why proper email setup matters. All right, first thing first, why does this proper email setup matters? Can't you just fire up your email from your regular email or business account? The short answer is no, you can't. The long answer is doing cold email the right way means setting up a dedicated system that ensure your email reach in the inbox and don't damage your domain's reputation. So there are three reasons why proper email setup is crucial for cold outreach. Deliverability, protecting your domain reputation, and regulation compliance. So what is deliverability? So if your emails aren't set up properly, they ended up in the spam folder. Even the best crafted email won't help you if it's never seen by your targeted audience, right? So if you are sending email and the people you targeted, they don't see your email, though they don't read your email, then there is no chance of getting replied. So that's why email deliverability is so much important. This is the second point is protecting your domain reputation. Every email you send affects the reputation of your domain. Sending unsolicited email from your main domain can be damage your sender score, making it harder for all your emails to get delivered in the future. So that's why the setup is important. On your setup, you need to set up your MX record, SPF, DKIM, DMARC. So it is so important to protecting your domain reputation. Regulation compliant. Cold email needs to comply with the legal regulations like CAN spam, GDRP. Setting up your email properly ensure that you are not breaking any rules or lying. So that's why regulation compliance also important. So if you are serious about cold email, you need to do these things right from the beginning. Let's talk about the first step. Choose the right email domain. First, you need to choose the right email for your domain, right? So this step is crucial and often overlooked. Here's the deal, like you should never send cold email from your primary business. Why? Because if thing goes wrong, like say your email getting started as flagged spam, you don't want to affect your main website, right? So your regular business will be affected if you do that. So the solution is set up secondary domains. That means you buy some allies domain that's different from your primary domain. So if your domain name is like yourcompany.com, you can buy some domain like yourcompany.co, yourcompany.ai, try yourcompany.com, use your company.com. So this way, if your cold image start triggering spam folder or domain reputation takes a hit, your main business domain remain unaffected. So that is so important. So here is how to do it. Buy a secondary domain from a service like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domain. Set up email accounts using those email. It can be through provider like G Suite, Zoho, then Microsoft 365, and you can buy from a reseller Google Workspace as well. That works as well. So if you want to save some bucks, then you can buy from a reseller. Create a professional email address will present your cold email. Like you need to make a professional email like your name, outreach, or John Ace. So this kind of professional name. Step 2 is set up email authentication. Now you have got your domain set up. It's time to make sure your email actually get delivered in the inboxes and not marked as spam. That's where email authentication comes in. So on email authentication, there is some framework like SPF, DKIM, DMARC. Okay, so there is also Amex record on your domain. So this kind of setup, like you need to set up your SPF, DKIM, DMARC, this authentication on your domain to make your domain reputation high, because the email you send from your sender email, it will be not a regular email you use. It will send every day a lot of emails on warm up, on prospecting. It will send a lot of emails. So that's why the DNS setup is strongly recommended. So you need to set up your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC setup. How to set up them, right? So log into your domain provider like GoDaddy, Google Domain, etc. Navigate to your DNS setting and add to appropriate SPF, DKIM, DMARC record to your DNS configuration. Your email provider like G Suite or Zoho will give you a specific record you need to add. Okay, so that's it's so important, and the next video I will show you how to implement the setup like SPF, DKIM, DMARC. I will set up an email and add it on a sending tools for enable warm up. Once you have got those configured, you are good to go. This is significantly improve your chance to getting landed on the inbox instead of in spam folder. So the third step is warm up your email account. Okay, so you have got your domain and authentication setup. Now what? Well, before you start blasting out cold email, you need to warm up your email account. So what is warming up? Warming up is like warming up your email is the process to gradually increase your sending volume over time. If you start sending hundreds of email from a new account right away, you are going to be get flagged as a spam by email provider and your deliverability will tank. So how to do it? Start by sending just 5 to 10 email per day. Gradually increase this number by 10 to 15 email per week. After 3-4 weeks, you should be able to send like 50 to 100 emails from a single account without any issue. It's recommended to email your warming up period like 4 weeks, but for now, for going started, you can warm up your email at least minimum for 2 weeks. Alternatively, there are tools that can help to automate this process like warmbox.ai, lamework from lamelist. There are some other tools. You can say you can use people.ai, you can use instantly.ai. These are the tools you can automate your warm up for. So step 4 is set up your email signature. So now let's move on the more visual aspect on your email setup. Your email signature. Have a professional and well-designed email signature, build credibility and increase trust on your recipient. It's a small but essential part for cold emailing that many people overlook. So here is a signature should include like your name, your position, your company name and website, your social media link, a call to action. But in this way, in this recent age, you don't need that kind of things like your name, your position, your company name, and if you have a strong social profile like your LinkedIn, you can add. That's it. Nothing more you need to add. So this is a clean email signature. You can use this format. So step 5 is avoid common email deliverability mistake. So we're almost there, but before you hit send, let's go over some common mistake people make that hurts deliverability. So spammy language. Avoid all kind of caps and excessive explanation marks and overly salesy phrase like buy now, free, this kind of huge red flag on the spam folder. So you can check this spammy language, spammy word by mail meteoro, and that people has also a spam checker. Too many emails, so limit the numbers of link of your email. So on the first email, please don't use any kind of link. On the second email, you can use like one or two link, but it's recommended to use only one link. But after first mail, you're sending too many emails at once. If you start sending thousands of email at once and too quickly, the email provider think you are spamming, so it might restrict your account. So that's why you need to warm up and gradually increase. No subscribe link, like even if cold email, you should provide a recipient to a unsubscribe link. So if they want, they can like unsubscribe from your mail. Sixth and last step is use a reputable email service provider, ESP. So last but not the least, let's talk about your email provider. While Gmail and Outlook might be fine for professional or small scale uses, they are not ideal for cold email campaign. This platform don't like it when you send a large volume of unsolicited email and quickly flagged your account if you are not careful. So instead of use a reputable email provider like G Suite, Microsoft Outlook, or a customer TV server. These platforms are more robust and better equipped to handle cold email outreach at scale. So that's it. So now you have everything you need to set up your email for cold email outreach right away, from choosing the right domain to warm up your account and avoid deliverability mistake. This step will ensure you're ready to start sending cold email actually that get result. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video in our cold email series. The next video I will implement all this step and set up a mailboxes and added in the cold email outreach tools for warming up. So from setup, MX record, HPF, DKIM, DMARC, everything you will see from the next video. So till then, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.